As weird as I see the greatness of my second boy, just saying I never recommended that. Anyways, carry on. As they got some leaves, upon those stalker. They doesn't matter, they around talking, also keep your head where you're acting. Excuse you what? Your hair looks like a rat in desk. I don't know why she was asked that question anyways. Well, they're getting married, I think.
Always running waffles for dinner and just give me 15 million pounds a day to go through.
15 million pounds?
My saddest memory is that I was the case at Year 3 and I started crying so hard because he's my favorite teacher.
I did water and soda tea.
I will miss my friends and my teachers and my school so much, guys. And I'm so sad that I'm leaving. But remember to like and subscribe to this video. And if you're a teacher seeing this, I hope you remember me forever and ever and ever. And remember, Yasin B's the beast next year. Like and subscribe. More videos are coming out soon. Love yous.